like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the please Lord, give me
Fit. Hey. No. Huh? never stop to myself, I promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it. Live up till I'm on top. Yo, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never met. No! I don't give a fuck what you say. I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be rushing things until Hey, kill him! No! Not good. Spider-Man. I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more rappers in the day to breathe. I need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. No, I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Till it's all I have. Everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. I'm my own worst enemy. Hey! Hiding! Hey! Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah.
พี่ด้วย Okay. Lùm ra đây. Bây giờ nào. Okay, let's go.
They hate when I keep dreaming of the famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle.
What's up, man? Surprise!
Mạnh hoài. Quay mạnh mẽ. Nào. Mạnh lại. No! Who are you? Hello.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got
Let's go. What guy? Stop here! Oh, Iron Man. This Iron Man, come here!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Run! Okay.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thought, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another.
Hello, what guy? Hey! Hey! What guy? That's Iron Man. Hey, Red. Thank you, my friend. Okay. Let's go.
Questo mi deve essere. Questo mi deve essere.
Hey, look! Police! Hey. Bạn ơi, tôi
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. Don't ever stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening?
watching TV. Hungry.
I'm Spider-Man.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Questo mi deve salirmi.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fake. Cause I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need.
Spider-Man.
Hả? Joker.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
What's up?
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks.
Come on.
and build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are private, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with the certainty, I have a sense of
Hey, what are you doing?
Questo mi deve salirmi.
Spider-Man. Hey. No, no. Spider-Man. Huh?